What's up guys, this is ABK Crits and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this beginner plane. For a few mobile players there won't be this tutorial button, so that's why I made this video. First take blocks, then place 3 blocks on the front and then leave a gap and then place two more blocks like this vertically. Then go to this connect thingy and then take fuel. You take the fuel, a normal fuel tank like this, and then keep like actually you gotta keep like 2 blocks distance between these two beams. Then take the fuel block or the fuel tank and place it between these two things. So like that. Then you gotta take wing panel 1 by 2 and then start placing them from the first one like this, and then on the other side too. Oh. Then on the back like that. Then keep a rotor keep a rudder like this. Then you take control surface 1 by 2, which is this, and then you keep it in the gaps. And then you take the same thing, a small propeller, this thing, engine, and then keep it like this. Then you take the main pilot seat and keep it here, 1 block after the motor, meaning like this. Then bring it up a little bit, the whole thing. Then you have to go to the mechanic thingy and then choose tiny landing gear and place it in this way, not like that, actually like this, so that it comes like original plane's landing gear. So yeah, it's like the exact same I made. See, now you gotta test it. If it works, so let's test it. Looks like one goes more faster. Oh, this one is not going turning properly. So let's just delete this one. So now you can see the blue thing and the yellow thing should be close to each other or should be matched. If it's not close to each other, then it may the plane may not fly properly. So now let's test this. So it should work like this perfectly. So yeah, it work like this. It's all for the beginners and like my friend also, my 2 friends actually, or my 3 friends. Josh, one is King Firebreath, and then Aravara, and then Rikia AHTH. For all of them, they don't know how to make a plane, so this is why I made this tutorial, so even you guys can watch it. This has perfect landing skills too, and yeah, you get cut if you do that thing. So let's test it once more. Oh man, oh freak. think I just lost an hour. Let me reset my character. Now let's try it. If you want, you can do it in this mode or in this mode, but it doesn't work somehow. Or you can do it in this mode, which is more fun than usual. It's like first person mode, so you can do it. Then yeah, it has clear learning skills as I told you. You can align it properly and then you can just yeah, so let's thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Peace.